due to French labor laws. An estimated 500 employees at Blizzard's Versailles, France location, could be left waiting for maths to see if they have lost their jobs or not. This news follows the massive layoffs that hit Activision Blizzard employees earlier in the week, leaving an estimated 8% of people without a job. As a reminder, here's an updated document of studios currently hiring for those affected. As reported by Kotaku, Blizzard's French office told its staff on Wednesday that 134 of its 400 positions would be eliminated. It's worth noting that this does not necessarily mean Blizzard will lay off 135 people, as some employees might be given opportunities across the company's other European offices in Cork, Ireland, and The Hague, Netherlands. However, it's still not a great position to be put in, especially for us now cannot or have no desire to move to a new country. In addition, complicated French labor laws make it difficult to lay people off immediately and without notification. Putting Blizzard's Versailles office, which handles PR, esports, localization, customer support, and marketing for their games in Europe, in this position. As of right now, employees still do not know which positions will be eliminated, who's affected, what kind of severance package they will receive, or even when they will find out if their jobs are safe. As always, if you or someone you know was affected by this event, you CANCONTACTGAMASUTORATO tell your story in confidence. By Winifred Phillips. Contact. Follow. Welcome. I am video game composer Winifred Phillips, and my projects lately have included music composition for a lot of great virtual reality games. It's been fascinating work. Last year, when my VR work started to really pick up, I wrote an article with lots of resources to help video game music composers become more comfortable in the world of VR audio development. Since this discipline progresses rapidly, I thought it would be best to post an update article now that adds additional resources to address new developments in the field. VR development is continuously innovative and cutting edge, and I have been fortunately to experience this firsthand. As an example, one of my more recent virtual reality game projects was music for Audio Shield Fitness, developed by the creator of the famous Audiosive music rhythm game. I was asked to compose the new official Audio Shield theme for release, with the Audio Shield Fitness game, which takes the car game mechanics of Audio Shield and parts of the challenge with obstacles that make players dodge and duck to the music. The result is an intense workout that was named as one of the top 5 fitness games of 2018 by PerfectBody.com. To maximize the power of the Audio Shield procedural system, my composition had to attune itself to the system's powerful music analysis algorithm and deliver moments of both challenge and spectacle. I composed and mixed the music with a specifically targeted deck frequency ranges where I placed rhythmic elements and punchy crescendos. The Audio Shield music analysis system then reacted to this audio content and changed the pacing and content of gameplay to match these variables. It was a fun challenge. Here's a video showing how that worked. Composing for virtual reality is its own unique discipline, requiring a specialized set of skills and tools. In this article, let's collect some resources that explore the techniques, tools, and technologies associated with VR audio development. Let's also take a look at the professional community of VR developers that are there to help each other through the rough spots. Reading. Let's go. First, let's consider some of the tools and technology that has been designed to help audio folks create awesome virtual reality sound. Starting first with new innovations over the past year, Google releases Resonance Audio. Google has entered the VR business in a big way. First with Google Cardboard, then with the Google Daydream device. Now, Google has released its own multi-platform software development kit, a VR audio. This article sums up some of the features. Below, I have also included a video demonstration of a binaural and ambisonic demo for Resonance Audio. Let's test 3D audio specialization plugins. In this article from the Designing Sound site, 3 specialized plugins are tested for their performance in localizing sound sources under an assortment of conditions: circular movement, acoustic shadowing, vertical position, occlusion, moving occlusion, modeled attenuation, and near-field effect. Similarities and differences between the plugins are discussed, and multiple audio samples are provided for comparison. Mixinline, the DARA 3D audio reality engine. This system from the DARA Reality Company combines a plugin suitable for integration with digital audio workstations and a virtual reality application that allows users to instantly test their DAW mixes within a VR environment. The Mixinline article, linked above, argues that such a system is long overdue and necessary for effective VR audio production workflows. Below, I have also included the demo video for this technology, produced by DARA Reality. Envelope for Ableton Live. This suite of spatial sound tools is designed to integrate into the Ableton Live digital audio workstation. For Ableton Live users, the Envelope suite of tools allows effective mixing for a virtual space. The article, linked above, discusses many practical applications for this software, including virtual reality. Below, I am including the links that were offered in last year's article, since the information is still relevant. The Works 3D Audio plugin for Pro Tools. This article explores the 3D rendering technology of the G-AudioWorks plugin, which supports multi-channel, object-based and ambisonic specialization within the Pro Tools application. The Steam Audio Software Development Kit. This article focuses on the specialized audio solution for VR, developed by the famous Steam software distribution platform, available as a free download, without any royalty requirements. Steam Audio is designed to assist both Unity and Unreal developers in creating and implementing specialized audio in their projects. Facebook 360 Spatial Workstation. The Two Big Ears audio company is known for its 3D software, enabling audiophones to author specialized audio for VR applications. Now that Facebook has purchased the company, the software has been rebranded as the Facebook 360 Spatial Workstation, with added compatibility for 360 videos hosted on the Facebook platform. The software is free for everyone to use in their projects. However, the previous plugin compatibility with Unity, Wise and Node is no longer offered for new users. Google's Omnitone, the open-source project for specialized sound in VR. This article describes the Omnitone application, developed by Google to combine ambisonic decoding with binaural rendering. Omnitone was designed to deliver specialized audio for browser-based experiences and apps designed for Android and iOS. NVIDIA Works Audio for Windows games and applications. NVIDIA now offers the Works Audio software development kit for implementing specialized audio in VR. A 64-bit Windows apps for developers working in Unreal Engine 4. The Works Audio Game Engine plugin can be added directly to the UE4 engine, while future plugins are promised for other game and audio platforms. Now, let's check out some recent articles that offer methods and techniques for creating immersive virtual reality sound. How to build audio for VR games. In this article, the audio director of CCP Games delves into how human beings perceive sound and how that extends to VR. Incorporated the virtues of hard panning stereo in VR and the importance of adaptive music in VR. Oculus Audio SDK localization and the human auditory system. While this article is primarily a component of the Oculus Audio SDK documentation for VR audio development, it includes a concise and thorough breakdown of the components of sound that enable human beings to localize sound sources. Immersive audio for VR workflow. This is a video recorded at the VR conference, in which a panel of game audio experts discusses a variety of topics connected to VR audio development. Incorporated an exploration of the ways in which audio pros can lobby for the importance of audio content within a VR development team, and what features would be most welcome in audio production tools to make them more useful in VR development. Watch here. Audio design for interactive narrative VR experiences. In this audio post-mortem of the VR project, The Price of Freedom, the audio director explores how to prioritize audio implementation tasks during development, and how to effectively place audio elements within VR environments. Mixing in VR is also discussed. 9 things you should know when creating sound for virtual reality. This article, published by the Game Sound organization, lays out several issues to consider when creating and implementing sound content in VR titles.